You budget perfectly Monday to Friday. You pack lunch, you skip the coffee, you transfer money to savings like clockwork. Then the weekend arrives. And by Sunday night, it's gone. Not because you're bad with money. Because your brain is doing something very specific on weekends, and nobody talks about it. Today, we're going to diagnose exactly what's happening and give you a 30-day protocol to fix it. Monday to Thursday, you're locked in. Packed lunch, no coffee run, savings transfer done by 9 a.m. Then Friday, 4 p.m. hits. Someone texts, "Dinner tonight?" And you think, "I deserve this. It's been a long week." $65. Unplanned. Saturday, you're just browsing. TJ Maxx. $80. Unplanned. Sunday brunch, because it's the weekend. $45. Unplanned. Monday morning, you check your account. And there it is, that feeling. The average person spends 42% more on weekends than weekdays on the exact same income. This isn't random, it's a pattern, and patterns have causes. Let's get into the diagnosis. Here's what's actually happening in your brain. Monday to Thursday, your brain is running in obligation mode. Effort, scarcity, discipline. Every decision gets filtered through one question: should I? Then Friday arrives, and something neurological shifts. Your brain doesn't just relax, it switches modes. The part that evaluates risk and consequence gets quieter. The part that chases reward gets louder. This is what I call permission spending. There are two versions of you. Weekday you is a budgeter, disciplined, intentional, in control. Weekend you is a liver of life, present, social, generous with yourself. Here's the problem. Your budget was written by weekday you, for weekday you. It has rules for the grocery store, but no rules for Saturday night. Same person, completely different financial identity, and your system only accounts for one of them. Now add one more layer. Weekends are social, and social situations create spending pressure that has nothing to do with what you actually want. Everyone's going, "I'll just come for one drink." That is the most expensive sentence in personal finance, because FOMO doesn't just add to the permission effect, it multiplies it. You're not fighting one force, you're fighting two, moving in the same direction at the same time. Your budget has a weekday personality and no weekend personality. We're going to fix that. Step 1. Create a weekend fund, not a category inside your budget, a separate fund. Its own card, its own envelope, its own number. The physical separation matters. A separate card or a cash envelope means your brain registers it as a different pool of money, because it is. The moment you load it on Friday, you have full permission to spend every cent of it. No guilt, no second guessing. Step 2. Every Sunday evening, 10 minutes, 3 questions. 1. Did I stay in my weekend fund? 2. Was there one purchase I regret? 3. What would I do differently next Friday? Step 3. You need a weekend identity that costs less than your current one. Write down 5 things you genuinely love doing on weekends that cost under $20. Not things you should enjoy, things you actually enjoy. And here's the third move. Pre-decide your one splurge for the week. One nice dinner, one intentional purchase, you pick it in advance. When you spend that money, it isn't permission spending anymore. It's planned spending. The framing is completely different, and so is how it feels on Monday morning. Did you stay within your weekend fund in at least 3 out of 4 weekends? If yes, your financial physio is working. Now we adjust the dosage. If no, go back to your Sunday check-in. It will show you exactly where the leak is. It always does. The goal isn't to stop enjoying your weekends. The goal is to stop arriving at Monday morning feeling like you undid all your hard work. One hour of setup this week, 4 weeks of tracking, that's the protocol. Your finances can handle a great weekend. They just need the right system for it. One last thing before you go. Drop your weekend weakness in the comments. Saturday brunch, Sunday shopping, Friday drinks. Let's see what's most common. Thank you for watching this video.